Hey everyone, it's ProCell Fox here today with a new smoke alarm, the second smoke alarm of the week, by the way. So we're reviewing two smoke alarms in 1 week. Yesterday, I reviewed a 1235E and made by Lifesaver, not Firenex. Now I'm reviewing, and it's actually a new week, so I got a 9120 LBL. Yes, it's a BRK 9120 LBL. Alright, you can pause here if you want to read this. You can pause here if you want to read this. Excuse my hands being super shaky. And up here, right here, you can pause here if you want to look at this. And you can pause here. You can pause here if you want to read this. And you can pause here if you want to read that. Alright, now let's get to the unboxing. Yeah, this one has that little saying that keeps it closed is gone. So that's just something to tell you before we get to. And so I'm gonna dump it out. Yeah, the wiring harness, the bracket, which already has one of the little tamper pins out because this is actually the one with the lithium battery. The manual, please see manual. It's actually a First Alert 9120B with a 10-year battery. And here's the dust cover, also called a shower cap. And now let's power it on. Actually, here's a little bit of a little fact. Look right here. It actually says 10-year battery backup on the side. Battery door is locked. See manual for details. Please see manual. Alright, I'm back. So let's activate her. Let's activate it. So, which isn't actually hard, actually. Okay, it's really hard with one hand, so I'll put down the camera. Alright, does your typical 9120B style power up. Now let's test it. Actually does a normal code 3. These usually do a faster code 3. This was made on 2020, October 15th. Alright. But how are you gonna get to the battery? But here's a little bit of a goof I found. I found a goof. It says single chirp per minute, replace battery. That should say single chirp per minute, low battery, replace alarm. And it looks like it has a Duracell in it. So I'll have to remove that tamper pin after this video. Here's the bracket. But other than that, it's just a normal 9120B. But this is actually a 4th gen model. The ones that you may know that you may notice, and this is no ordinary 9120B. I showed you a 1st gen, a facelifted 1st gen, and there's also I also replaced a 3rd gen model. I mean a 2nd gen model. I mean 3rd gen. Yes, the one with the First Alert covered are actually 2nd gen, but with the BRK First Alert are actually 2nd gen models. So anyways, that's gonna do it. That will do it for this video. So hopefully you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Anyways, hopefully you like this video. Goodbye.